In the following exercise, we're going to prove or find the limit of this sequence. So un is 1.00000001 to the power n. I'm repeating the zeros so you can see the effect of this one. It's a tricky limit. So the first thing that you might say that since this is very tiny, very small, then the limit will reach 1. Okay, so the limit of un is 1. Okay, as n gets bigger. But that's not the case. Okay, so that's why I'm saying 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so even if this one is tiny number, it will get bigger one and it gets bigger slowly. Okay, so the issue that we can do here is that to fight this kind of problems, we just gonna say that we have our sequence as un is 1 plus x to the power n, and we're with our x is gonna be 0.00000001. I'm assuming that I get the right zeros. How many? I have 6 of them. Okay, so here we can prove using induction that 1 plus x to the power n is bigger than 1 plus nx. Okay, so this we can prove it. So we can use induction, prove it very quickly. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple problem. Maybe I'll do it on a separate video. So we can use this result here, okay, with x is at this value. Okay, now so the limit of this one is bounded by this one, but this one goes to infinity. So the limit of 1 plus nx as n goes to infinity is infinity. Okay, therefore the limit of this one, which is un, so the limit of un is infinity as n goes to infinity. So this is a quick but a very challenging, and we learn a lot from this question. So the thing that we left are, so here we need to prove this one, and we need to know what if given a geometric series or a geometric sequence. Okay, so what are the values of this one as n goes to infinity? So if q is between -1 and 1 strictly, the limit is 0. If it is 1, then the limit is 1. If q is bigger than 1, then the limit of q to the power n is infinity as n goes to infinity. Okay, and we might say that q in this case is 1 plus something that's bigger than 0. And you can use this result if you don't know this one here. Okay, I will come back to proving in all of these, this one and this one and these results. Okay, but for now we just applied this idea here to find this limit. You can check it with your calculator if you are not convinced, but the limit is not 1, it's plus infinity. Thank you very much, and if you see any mistakes or any problems, please comment or contact us. Thank you very much.